Tran. Today I'll be giving a quick walkthrough of my website about AI in graphic design. First, I chose a template with a red and white as the main color. I picked these two colors because they go well with the image I found about AI, like this one right here. Using a consistent scheme make the website look cleaner and more visually appealing. It also helps reader focus better and make the site more engaging. Next, for the layout, I organize the website into clear sections. I add interactive buttons that guide user to different parts of the site. These buttons make it easier for people to explore the content and make the experience more interesting than just reading text. Besides, in this part, I also add interactive tabs that reveals information when you click on it once. This helps organize the content in a clean and user-friendly way, allowing reader to explore each section without feeling overwhelmed by too much text at once. And for the writing, instead of putting a long article on the website, I restructure it into paragraphs that focus on main points. This makes the content easier to read on a screen since people usually prefer quick and clear information online. I also add headings, bullet points, and bold text to highlight key ideas and help guide the reader attention. By breaking up the text and combining it with image, I made the content more engaging and easier to understand for digital audience. And speaking of visuals, I include several images and charts that appear to both pathos and logos to make the content more interesting and understandable. For example, I use a logo page chart to show the history of AI development, which help give people a clear picture of how AI has evolved over time. These visuals not only support the information but also make the website more engaging for the audience. I also add two videos of expert talking about AI. Mm. This video add more depth to the content and make the site feel more dynamic. I also organize the website into clear categories like context and voice. This helps the content structure and easier to follow. And throughout the semester, working on recomposing for academic essays into websites has taught me a lot about writing and design and communication in digital space. At the beginning of the course, I mainly focused on the content and grammar, but at the end of semester, I realized how important it is to think about how we convey information across different media. This means choosing visuals that match the tone and topics of my writing, breaking long text into short, readable sections, and using headings, buttons, and layout design to guide the reader. One of the biggest challenges for me was uh, this is my first time designing a website. I had to learn how to use the design tools, choose the right colors and image, and think about how user would interact with the site. It took time, but with practice, I became more confident and skillful. I also realized that Wix is a great tool for web design. It is user-friendly for beginners and offers many helpful features that let you create your own style easily. I believe I believe the skill I have learned and developed, like adapting content for different platforms and using multimedia to enhance enhance understanding, will be useful in both academic and professional fields. Whether I am creating a portfolio, presenting research, or making a proposals, I now feel more prepared to share my work in a clear and creative way online. And this is my presentation. Thank you for listening.